Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw the thumbnail of this video, then you know that the frizz is real and we are gonna be talking all about it today. Living with frizz is one of the most annoying, frustrating things on the planet. Take it from me, a girl who has naturally curly hair, and I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to my sleek, straight hairstyle. So if there's any frizz, I freak out, okay? So today I thought I would actually talk to you guys more in depth about what actually causes frizz, how to tame your frizz, and one of my favorite products right now from Living Proof. Really excited to be teaming up with them on this video to walk you guys through my step-by-step anti-frizz routine. Let's do this. I may or may not have gotten a little crazy with my hair. Since it is about frizz, I just kind of let it hang. This is second day hair and I haven't done anything to it. So what I like to do is just run a wide tooth comb through my hair or even my fingers just to get the tangles out. You don't want to really use a brush like this. It's really super harsh for the hair and it can cause more frizzy than shine. For today's look, I'm just going to kind of run the straightener through it and then I'm going to show you guys the key product. Frizz really comes from your hair being dry and pretty much damaged. Everybody experiences some level of damage, especially if you haven't had a trim in a while, so it's bound to happen. Usually when this happens to me and I start to experience more frizz than usual, I know it's like maybe it's time to get a trim or just pay a little bit more close attention to the products I'm putting in my hair. Studies show that your hair strands get thirsty. Not that kind of thirsty. And when its hydration requirements are not met, the cuticles rise to let moisture in. So as a result, the excess moisture from the atmosphere then causes your hair to swell up. Well, there you go, you've got frizz. Another thing is dehydration. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I can be really bad at drinking water. Sometimes I'm so busy I don't even think about it. So what you put in your body is also really important to combat frizz from the inside out. So once I've straightened my hair, you can see that there's a little bit of leftover frizz up in this area. So what I wanna do is demonstrate how I'm gonna be using Living Proof's Instant Defrizzer. This product is pretty cool because it instantly will get rid of the frizz, which is exactly what I need after styling my hair. So this has a 5-oil blend in it that mimics the natural oils that sit in your hair. It's really giving your hair strands that moisture, that hydration, and those oils that it essentially needs to prevent frizz. So all you have to do with this product is just untwist the little cap that they have here. I'm gonna spray it directly. So I'm just gonna do that 6 to 10 inches away from my hair. So I'm just running my fingers through it and instantly it feels like super soft. Since having the baby, I have so many little like flyaway hairs that are just always out to attack my hairstyles. So what I love about this is I just hold it extra far away for the roots. And then when I kind of like run my fingers through it like this, I notice that it really calms the area down and it dries so quickly that it doesn't ruin my hairstyle. I just apply a little bit of this sometimes to my fingertips. And then because I have these little hairs that hang out in the bang area, I always just kind of add it to the ends like this and just give it a little flip. Instantly, it gives my bangs this sleek, tamed look to the side. My hair looks good, it smells good, it's not frizzy. Before I go, I want to show you guys this do's and don'ts checklist so that next time when you're styling your hair, you also take into consideration any of these factors that could be causing more frizz in your life. If you guys want to actually try this product out, if you go to livingproof.com and you spend $30 or more, you're gonna get a deluxe travel size of this product, the Instant Defrizzer, free with purchase. So you can try it out, see how you like it, and then get yourself the full size because you're gonna be obsessed, just saying. Let me know if any of you guys have the same hair probs as I do when it comes to combating frizz. It has been something I've struggled with my entire life, having curly hair. But I'm really glad that there's amazing products out there that you can find that actually work to help you combat the solution. Make sure you drink your water, keep those hair strands hydrated, but in the meantime, you might want something like this on deck. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today, and I wanna know what other hair problem topics should we uncover next? Until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.